I want everybody to scan this QR code. All the non-technical, yes. So once you're done, please let me know. Once you're done, please let me know. So once you fresher, very good. So everyone, fresher, experience, mid experience, experience towards other domains like DevOps, Java, and .NET. So everybody, leaders, CTO, CEO, everyone, because it's high level of discussions I just want to make today. So I just wanted to just scan this QR code, and I want everybody to join in Naresh IT WhatsApp group so that I'll share my GitHub and you get all the documents for today's sessions and any upcoming things you get to know. So just how do you scan it? Just open your Google Lens and scan it. And the students who don't know how to do this, I'll share this link. Just give me some time and one moment. Yeah. So let me post in chat window. Okay. So I want everyone to, the one who knows how to scan the QR code, you can go for it. Okay, just one moment, guys. Still, some of the learners are joining, guys. I want you to just wait for some time and then we continue. All right. Apology for that. Just give me 2 minutes. Thank you. So in the meantime, please scan this QR code. Also, I'm sharing this link. Yeah, Rajat. All right. Yeah. So still people are joining. So I just will start in just couple of minutes. Thank you. Okay, just 1 second. We'll start. So just give me confirmations. Everybody's scan done, guys. Everybody joined in our WhatsApp group, NIT WhatsApp group. Super. Thank you. Thank you, team. Yep, yep. Okay, still some learners are joining. And once we're done, we'll start quick. So today we work together. So normally, let me tell you that this is not AI tools. I mean, you heard many AI tools are there. So we try to develop the Deepseek platform using help of the Deepseek API, and we'll install Olama. All those things I'll explain one by one. All right, team. Okay. 1 second. Still, some of them are joining. Let me share my screen. Okay. I hope it's done. So, all right. So I hope see my screen. So guys, today we will this is the workshop is going to be take 2 hours, and I know I want you to be little patient because we will code, we will understand all those things. Okay, let me introduce. So what is agenda? I try to explain today, and I hope you might see my screen and you can hear me properly, isn't it? All right, just 1 second. Let me open my presentation. Okay, slideshow from current slides. All right, guys. So, so how many of them have logged to DeepSeek so far? How many of them had logged to DeepSeek? And it's exactly so. Yeah, almost everyone, isn't it, guys? Great. So I think everyone know about ChatGPT. Everyone know about ChatGPT, isn't it? So, so what exactly happened? ChatGPT, it's a paid applications. It is a paid versions because you never develop any code and freely. This is not an open source. Open source means free. So ChatGPT versus DeepSeek. DeepSeek has created. DeepSeek is also LLM created by Chinese company. Created by Chinese company, isn't it? Yeah, I hope everyone know about this. So COMPANY company. All right. So in today's session, we'll walk through everything in depth. And if you have any questions, I will try to help you at the last. And the session is live in YouTube. So if you miss out anything, so you can reach out there and you can find out each and everything, guys, isn't it? Okay. So let's start now. And here, what is agenda? I just mentioned today in the slides. The first thing, my introductions and introduced to Deepseek model and what is Deepseek models. And we build together two projects today. So one project and one practical. The first project, DeepSeek R1 bot using Olama, we build this model locally. That means we don't use any Google Colab for this one. So this projects we're going to work together. So I will write a code. You can also work along with me. And the next one is practical too. So I will introduce a open router AI where you learn how to generate DeepSeek API key, and we build a model and we create a bot using Google Colab as well. And I'll share my existing AI videos, and also I'll update you my upcoming training programs, and then we will discuss all question and answers. Clear team, everyone? And I hope you can hear me properly and there's no issues from my side. And just comment if everything is fine, and then we continue this, guys. All right? Yeah, that's great. Thanks, team. Okay. All right. So let's from current slides. All right. So this is all the agenda. This is all the agenda for today's session. And my introductions, I want you to catch me on LinkedIn. So if you refer to the LinkedIn platform, so here, just go to home and you can send a request. You get to know like what is my experiences before, which companies I worked before, and what was my training programs, and so all the details you can find out. So understand this is not Instagram account. So this is normally you can apply jobs from LinkedIn. So I would, if you're IT professionals, make sure everybody has to create this LinkedIn account for your reference. Understood? So overall, I have 18-year work experience, and these companies I worked before, and also I'm working in one of my client, Emphasis, Genpact, Value Labs, Cruiser IT, Kiabi, and I have teaching experience of almost 10 years. So I'm a corporate trainer to Wipro, Infosys, and IIT and Genpact. Also, I provide many platforms earlier like Upgrad, Great Learning, and right now I'm provide training in Naresh IT. So international teaching experience, like I was in Synergetic IT. It was a US farm, so US company. So there I try to teach them about all this AI, LLMs, everything, guys. So under my training program, almost more than 1K students placed successfully. The transitions rate from non-tech to tech, it's everything is done. So when you get back to the sessions, I'll explain all those things with proof and all those things. Pretty clear. So this is all about my experience. And little, I'll try to high context overview. Yeah, that's right, Aryan. So I will try to explain the little high context overview. For example, so mostly I'm working right now in Gen architecture developer because as generative AI is large language model, it's very hard to set up. It's very hard to set up in the company. So we try to configure the system design on generative AI, how to connect this generative AI with these clouds, LLMs. So those things I'm working right now, guys. I hope clear. All right. I hope clear. So can you can't hear me, guys? Someone says okay, clear. Guys, please fix your internet as well because from my side I'm clear. Okay. So the next one is, so just introductions is completed. Introduction is done. Next one, let me hide now. I want you to just see this high context diagram here. If you someone looking for data science and data analytics, so normally we split the data into three parts: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. So before I went into the DeepSeek, so you must need to know why we need to study DeepSeek. We're not going to build any AI tools, but why DeepSeek has more popular right now. And the moment when DeepSeek has introduced, no, actually the Nvidia stocks has down. So people are trying to check, and the DeepSeek has introduced. So immediately the lot of stocks goes down. So I'll tell you, but being a data scientist, being a data analytics, you must need to know why we'll need to learn DeepSeek. It's not something someone learned, we to learn. No, it's not like that. You got to know that because if you want to someone looking for data scientist, data analytics, so this field you have to choose because if you high context diagrams, if you find out, so supervised learning, machine learning comes under supervised learning, where we work with Excel data, CSV data. Understand, team? Where the datas are image, video, text. So all those things comes under unsupervised learning. So there we need to learn NLP, deep learning, and neural network. All right, and reinforcement learning. So we build a model where these machine learning models are integrated with which data, guys? Excel data here. In this part, we build machine learning model where we integrate with Excel data, okay, or CSV data. Here we build NLP model, deep learning model, neural network model, where the data is image, the data is text, the data is video. This is all comes under your AI part. So the next one is reinforcement learning. So generative AI, which is new trending topic in the market. This has launched just 2 years back, and just last 1 year, it has more hype, and it's one of the number one searching trending topics in everywhere. So this is a long topic, but I just give you a rough architecture diagram to a layman can understand. If you see LLM models, OpenAI, Google, Meta, Cloudy, DeepSeek. Understand, team? So AI agents, which I'm going to take a next workshops on AI agents on 23rd of February. So CreoAI, Super AGI, Unfetch. So this market is more growing. So today you understood DeepSeek is LLM model. So this OpenAI model created by ChatGPT. This is OpenAI ChatGPT created by OpenAI, Gemini created by Google, Llama model created by Meta, Entropic Entropic created Cloudy created Entropic, and DeepSeek. It's nothing but DeepSeek model which created by a Chinese company. I hope this clear. So if you see the diagram, this one. I hope if you see the diagram, artificial intelligence, machine learning, neural network, deep learning, generative AI, LLM models. So this is all comes under part of full stack data science, guys. This is all the part of full stack data science. Pretty clear, everyone? Everyone understand? Okay. Vikar, we will talk. Can we talk later, man? I'll unmute you. Can we talk later? What's your name? All right. Understand, buddy? So the students who raise your the students who have a questions, the student who have a question, we will discuss. No problem. We will discuss later. I will unmute you. I will unmute you. We will speak together. We will speak together because we try to work a DeepSeek model. All right, guys. So the first thing is, as I mentioned, we have many LLMs, ChatGPT. See, Ganesh, NumPy, to build this machine learning model, NumPy required. To build, all the tools are required, guys. All the tools. So this is a DeepSeek workshop. I try to explain that where the DeepSeek has used in our data science and data analytics platform. So NLP, In data analytics, regressions, classifications, you use all the tools, guys. NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, all the tools, TensorFlow, all the tools you use in these platforms. Clear, Ganesh? Okay. Next one. Next one. So here, ChatGPT has done by OpenAI, and Gemini has done by Google, and Llama has done by Meta, and now the DeepSeek Co Limited is a company. It's created a DeepSeek model, and next one, Entropic. So these are the top LLMs. Entropic has done by your Cloudy. So this is our top LLMs, guys. Top. You know what is ChatGPT do, guys? It will your learnings, your productions, your work, everything is easy by help of ChatGPT. The same way, exactly, I could say ChatGPT is equal to DeepSeek. Pretty clear? So if you refer to this one, just go back to DeepSeek. You can ask any query how to, okay, so 2025, okay, economy, okay, and market trend, stock market trend, stock market. So when you enter any query, so it's a lot of people are used, but you got response. The same things you also get response from ChatGPT as well. Just you go to chat.openai.com and stay sign out, and you can ask same queries over here, and you also get the similar response. Pretty clear, guys? So it's nothing but both are a bot, where ChatGPT used by OpenAI, DeepSeek has used by, anyone can use, and it's created by Chinese company. So this is all about DeepSeek bot. Clear? Understood up to this, guys? Next one. What is DeepSeek? It is an AI company develops with open source large language model, founded in 2023. So we are at 2025. It's just 1 year back. So DeepSeek is part of Hive AI research unit. So there is a company called Hive. So Hive AI research unit. So they created DeepSeek 23 to focus on artificial general intelligence, AGI. So DeepSeek implement reinforcement learning techniques. So which techniques, guys? Just now is explained. Do you see DeepSeek implements reinforcement? It comes under LLM. Akash, who told you, man? There is no white box, black box. Understand, Akash? See, guys, don't compare this learning with your, you're testing all these things. Experienced people. Nowadays, lot of YouTubers are reinforcement learning. All right. Nowadays, everybody try to teach in YouTube. Understand? Without the real time knowledge. So why you want to compare with blackbox.ai? Akash, I'll come back to you. Okay. Yes or no? All right. Clear this, team. So there is no black box, nothing. So here the data is divided, supervised, unsupervised reinforcement. Generative AI is come under reinforcement learning. So here, what is Gen AI? It's a big topic. So I already had previous workshops. I will share you the link. You can refer to that. GitHub Copilot, where you write a code, Copilot give you code prompts. It will help you. These are try to understand the difference between both. Okay. So before LLM also GitHub was there, buddy. Understand? I will tell you all those things. Akash, write down all your questions. I will talk to you at the last, so that I'll give you a clarity, so that you no need to be. Understand what's your name? Babat. Clear? So guys, any questions? I will unmute you at last. We will study. Clear, guys? Thank you. Next one. See, I want to give you the chip maker company Nvidia lost 600 billion in market value after introduced DeepSeek. So it will more impactable on trading stock market. So actually the Hive AI research unit. So let me write down. So DeepSeek is come from Hive research unit. So this Hive is a stock and trade platforms. Stock and trade platforms, guys. So that's why when DeepSeek has released the launched, the market crashed. I mean, the market crashed. All right. So here, chip maker company Nvidia. I hope you heard about it. DeepSeek will more impact on stock market, financial, all those things. Exactly, DeepSeek works like ChatGPT. ChatGPT is paid, but DeepSeek is open source. But I heard now, today onwards, DeepSeek also it's charged. How do I know? Because if you go to Google and you DeepSeek right here and execute, click on a first page and just refer to the API platform. And do you see the promotional period of the DeepSeek chart model has ended, and the pricing has been updated 0.27 per million input tokens, which is $1.10 per million outputs tokens. So guys, if you see these instructions, and the DeepSeek also started paid now from today onwards. Everyone clear? Everyone clear, guys? So today, what are the topic we done so far? Yeah, it's less compared to GPT. The payment is less compared to GPT. So DeepSeek now also today onwards it starts paying, because if you refer to this model, you get to know. Okay, no worries. So here I want to refer a page link about we deep dive. I just take a little introductions of this and then we'll go for it. Can we use DeepSeek for? Yeah, we can use freely DeepSeek. So that's what we're gonna do a project today. So he's the founder of DeepSeek, and he's founder of AI company DeepSeek. So he's the person who created the DeepSeek. Okay, so I'll just Liang. It's AI is efficient, cost-effective, open source model. All right, and he's the founder. 2023, and this is all those things. DeepSeek released 3 model V2, V3. This model has developed in 2 months with 6 million budget. And DeepSeek competitions are OpenAI, Google DeepMind, and Anthropic. DeepSeek's AI models are chatbot, coding AI, and vision AI. So, guys, you got a clarity that when the DeepSeek has launched, who is the founder, and how many models, and who is competitor of DeepSeek, and what DeepSeek's AI models does. Everything you can. I'll share this link to you. So I hope everyone scan the QR code. Just give me confirmations. Anyone who didn't scan the QR code, I will give it to you so that you can get all these documentations. I'll update you after the session. All right. All right. So here I'll try to give you another summary. See, if you remember this, I tried a comparison. DeepSeek model develop cost 6 million. Okay, let me share this QR code. Can you please scan this QR code, everyone? The students who not done. The students who not done, can you please develop the scan the QR code? Just one moment. Okay, done everyone? Okay, that's good. All right. So if you see the comparison, DeepSeek cost 6 million. OpenAI ChatGPT estimated cost 100 million. Google DeepMind they spent 200 million. Time to develop this LLM model is 2 months. OpenAI takes 6 to 12 months. Google DeepMind, okay. Now Google DeepMind, if you see now its screen is visible, team. So time to develop 2 months, 6 to 12 months, 12 plus months. Accessibility, affordable APIs, premium pricing, enterprise focused. So that means which has less cost, guys, compared to 3 model? Anybody? Non-technical team, I hope understand which is less cost, this one, OpenAI, or DeepSeek, or Google. Which one has less cost? So definitely DeepSeek has less cost, because they spend 6 million to build DeepSeek chatbot. OpenAI spent 100 million. DeepMind spent 200 million, isn't it? So DeepSeek has less cost. Okay, great. Now So I mean, this is all funding. I'll share this link to have yeah. So these all the things you can refer to that. I will try to give you this the link where you can find out all this history about this one. Pretty clear? Good. Next one now. Next step. The slideshow and current slide. So DeepSeek V2. Okay, now DeepSeek model. Deep complete this. We'll start a project now, guys. Okay. DeepSeek V2. DeepSeek has released 3 model. The first one is version V2, V3, VL2, DeepSeek R1. So overall 4 model. Out of 4 model, DeepSeek R1 is the chart bot. The one which I create, the one which I open now, chart.deepseek.com. So this would be the used DeepSeek model, guys. Understand? So this model use R1 model. So this one. All right. So here, to know more about this, let me click the GitHub of DeepSeek. How do you log in? I'll tell you again. Just go to deepseek.com. After you went there, just go to the API platforms. Once you refer to the API platforms, you can open a documents. So once you open the documents, you quick your first setup. So this is all the model. So also you can refer, you can click the link which I'll share after the class. This is all GitHub page where DeepSeek has explained how they build a V2, everything is. I want you to little right click and open image in a new tab. Now see this, guys. Active parameter billions performance MMLU. So if you see this, the DeepSeek model has integrate with these families: Llama family, Llama 3 family, Mixtral family, and Quen model. So do you see these models are trained with billions parameters? So anyone tell me what is mean by parameters, guys? What do you understand by parameter? What is understand by parameter? So you heard about the terms lot of time variables. For example, you heard ChatGPT trained with, Llama model trained with 450 billion million parameters. Okay, million parameters. So these parameters is nothing but attributes. For example, when you construct a house or when you purchase a car, so car has few parameters like wheels, okay, seat, and then steering. Agree or not, guys? So my questions: if you have 5-seater car and 7-seater car, so can you answer me, non-technical team? So which car has more parameter? Which car has more parameter? You understood what is meant by parameters? If you have a car, wheel, seat, steering, lights, okay, these all parameters. When I give you 2 car, 5-seater car and 7-seater car, so that means of course the 7-seater car has more parameter. Because of that, the cost also more cost. Exactly the same way, we have many LLM models. We have many LLM models. Out of many LLM models, now DeepSeek has trained with, DeepSeek has 670 billion parameters, guys. That means, parameter means it will give more informations compared to, it will give more information compared to other LLMs. Got, guys, understood? Everyone is clear? Everyone is clear? Non-technical team, are you understand, guys, what is meant by parameters here? All right. So still, because in the sessions, because we have a demo, the session is going on, but the new students, you understand more when the session will start. I mean, when real session, when you join, then you got more idea about this. Yet, so this is all the parameters. Do you see? If you see this one, I can Quen model 32 billion. Okay, Llama 2, 34 billion, 8 billion, 7 billion parameters, 70 billion parameters, 72 billion parameters, 67 billion parameters. All right. So this is all the parameters which we can talk about this. So do you see Deepseek V2 16 billion, Deepseek RL2 36 billion parameters has developed this chatbot, guys. Clear? The same way, these are the models we have: DeepSeek V2, V3. If you refer to the V3, this is V3, diagrams. If you remember the DeepSeek V2, V3, if you notice, this is all the model summary. You can refer to this. DeepSeek V3 has trained with 671 billion parameters. So there is none other than DeepSeek has introduced this much of parameters, guys. All right. So this is all about your DeepSeek. And then last one is R1. Let me, so DeepSeek VL means Vision Language Model. So VL DeepSeek Vision Language Model. So today we'll work with the DeepSeek R1 model. So DeepSeek R1 is the latest model now, which is currently running on the DeepSeek VL2. So do you see this, guys? Yeah, then it will cost more money for more parameters than able to invest less money. No, Rima, try to understand. You ask a question just like that. See, that is the factor is more parameter, less cost. That's why DeepSeek is powerful. Understand, Rima? All right. It does not mean that more parameter means more cost. So that's why people are why choose to DeepSeek, because more parameter, less cost. So that's the reason. All right. Yeah. Clear? You got clarity, guys? What is billion? How many parameters we have? So, okay. So two part we done. So DeepSeek flagship, several, this DeepSeek has introduced on math, coding, reasoning benchmark, which built on V3, Alibaba's Quen model and Meta's Llama. So here I want to add another pointers here. So this is called Quen model, Quen model created by Alibaba. Okay, so there are these powerful models right now in entire world. Companies are using and researchers are using, everybody using. All right, team. Okay, so next work one. So what are the topic we completed so far? Just introductions and DeepSeek versus ChatGPT, and then intro about DeepSeek, and I'm sure you people are scan the QR code, and also we talk about DeepSeek model. So how many models we have, guys, so far? And what is we learn what is mean by parameters, what is mean by parameter. Clear? So DeepSeek model had four model: V2, V3, VL2, and R1. VL2 and R1. So I will share previous videos about LLMs, AI agents. So you will learn more about this. You can see the video, you can understand, and you will get a clarity about this, guys. Okay, can we do practical now? Let's start practical. We'll work together. All right, guys. The first one. Okay. So today we built DeepSeek R1 bot using Olama. Today we'll build. Could you please share the QR code once? Okay, just give me 2 minutes. Please scan this QR code, everybody. Let me know once you're done. Okay. All right, let's start now. So guys, there's a two things. These DeepSeek model integrates with Hugging Face, and also integrates with Grok. So the new students who you don't know about Hugging Face, with Grok, no problem. I done lot of video earlier. I will share to you the link. You can refer to that. So the student who already knew about this, if you refer to Hugging Face, okay, you don't need to, I'll tell you, just go to models and you can write Deepseek R1. Do you see this Hugging Face has integrations with Deepseek model as well? Pretty clear, guys. So another one, Grok. So Grok, both are um, company which make developers or user to work your LLMs with the help of these platforms. So you can also integrate with just developers, free API key. One moment. So if you go back to your playground and just, do you see DeepSeek R1 also integrate with this? Team, are you clear? So the one who existing students, I hope you know. The one who new students, completely non-technical, no problem. So this is all advanced things I'm telling you, but you get to know slowly when you listen previous classes. I mean YouTube workshops, previous YouTube workshops. But now we don't build with Grok and Olama. I'm sorry, Grok and Hugging Face. I want everyone. Okay, let's write down. First project. Let's start, everyone. First step. Offline team, I mean, I'm saying non-technical, technical, let's start. The first step is, can you please log in to go to Google and type olama.com? Second, can you go back and type here? Just go to google.com and here Olama. If you refer to the Olama, that means what is Olama? Using Olama, anyone can, any user can build, okay, LLM models, LLM model in custom. Custom means in a local system, in a local machines. Local machines means in your laptop. In laptop, anyone can build, anyone can build the practical or the projects, guys, like ChatGPT, like DeepSeek. So that's what we're going to build here. Clear? So I want everyone, team, understand what exactly mean by Olama. Please let me know. All right, good. Yes. So I want everyone go to Google. So everybody, whoever joining, please work with me and we'll build one project and you can implement those things on your resume as well. Normally, most of the companies, they use Olama in the project. So most of the organizations, they are using Olama in their platforms, in their platform. I mean, in the company. Okay. So olama.com. So once I click the first options, do you see? You can download Olama, just execute this. Once you execute, everyone got this page? Just give me confirmation. Everyone got this page? Please let me know. Yes, no. Yes. Everyone got this page? Whoever non-technical guy, they also work with me. It's not a problem at all. That's great. Shadan, you done? Very simple. What did I told you to do it? Just go to Google, type it, and here Olama, and click this. That's it. If you see this here, do you see DeepSeek R1, Llama 3, Mistral 5, Gemma 2? Lot of models you can build in your system in locally. Clear this, guys? Okay, you got the clarity? Okay. So Let's go on Google, type Olama, and after you open this page, after you open this page, okay, so you will see Deepseek. Every models a user can see that. Every model user can see that. Just one moment. Where is my insert option? Okay, user can visible. Pretty clear up to this? That's great. So once you've done this, third step, 1 second, insert. In the third step, go back here. Everyone, please download the model. Please download the model. I will share, Sheikh. I will share. So do you see download for Windows? Let me download. So which laptop you are? Mac, Linux, Windows? Please comment. If your Windows laptop, I want to select this and download. If your laptop is Linux, click on Linux and download for Windows. If your laptop is Mac, just click on and download for Windows. So my laptop is Windows, and I know many of my users just Windows laptop. So select on Windows and then download. And fourth options. Are you following me one by one? So today I want everyone to finish this projects. Pretty clear? Yes, sir. That's good. Okay. Everybody's working. That's great. Okay. So Windows download. So once after you download, do you see still it's downloading? I know it will take some time. And then double click on it. Olama setup. So just open the setup and install it. Started. Yeah, might be take some time. So go back to everyone, the learners or the leaders or corporate people, the learners, after download, please install it. So I'll give some time. I'll give some time. Please do it in the meantime. I will wait for you. So no problem. So we'll take some time. I want everyone to build this DeepSeek bot today with me. Yeah, it would be an amazing. So you get to know what exactly things will happen, and you can build all those things in custom. Clear? Thank you. So I know some of them internet is slow, so I just pause for some time, and please download and install it. Learners, after download, please install it, and let me know whoever installed completions. Okay, ping me in the chat window whoever completed. So please do it and completed installations of Olama. So the one completed, can you allow me? Just give me 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes. We just wait for everyone. We will wait for everyone. Okay, team? Can you allow me for some time? Yeah. Okay. Just give me some time. I'll be back right now. So the students, whoever downloaded, please install it, Olama. And once you completed, do you see you get this message? Okay. So I'll be right back in 2 seconds. So I'm just waiting for everyone to complete it. I'm waiting for you. Yeah. Umesh, just wait for everyone. Thank you. Okay, that's great. Everyone is done? Everyone is done? Okay, that's good. Let me share. Okay. So students, the one who not completed, so you can do it later because I gave time because we need to finish it. Olama. No, 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 don't do. Keshav, just follow what I'm saying. And I know you do later whatever you want to do. Okay. All right. So the next one. So let's everyone is installed. I give time to install. So after download, please install it. So after you install, I want everyone open VS Code. Okay. Or VS Code or CMD prompt, command prompt. Sixth one. All right. VS Code or command prompt. So first, let's go to, for me, let me open the VS Code here and go back to just 2 minutes. Here we go. Just VS Code. Yeah, you can use Sachin. See, I would appreciate because just go back to CMD, type command prompt, type Olama. Do you see everyone you got type Olama in some command prompt? Please write when you execute Olama. Would you get all these options? Please let me know yes or no. CMD prompt. Yes. Very good. Shiva Patel, what happened? Unmute you. Shiva Patel, unmute you. What happened, buddy? Okay. In the meantime, just go to VS Code. You can open VS Code, log into this Visual Studio Code. If you are new guys who not installed, no problem. So in VS Code also, you can close this and see guys, the session is going on live. So no problem. You can, I will share this live link. You can watch it. You can work with me later as well if you can't. So for rest of them, I have to complete this project today. So just one moment. I will share you the live link to you so that if you miss, you can refer to that. All right. Yeah. One moment. I'll share this link to you. Just 1 second, guys. Let's copy. And so this is the live link. Let me use the chart window and post. This is the live link and let me paste here. So live link, paste. So go up and also paste here. Good. So after you done this, sixth point. So did you check everyone? There's a two-way you can go for it. Either you can go for command prompt. This is my command prompt. In this command prompt, you type Olama also. Okay. Do you see Olama version is there? Can everyone CLS Olama and 2_ version? Try this. So I'm using 0.5.7. So what's your version, guys? What's your version? Anybody using? What's your versions you're using? Same, 0.5.4. So 0.5.7. So you can use this. We learned how to check versions. All right. Yeah. That's fine. Seventh. After you're done, you can again type Olama. So what is the first step we done? Type Olama version. We checked our version. Next, type Olama and enter. Do you see? You can hear, I want everyone to, you write to pull a model from a registry, right guys? It's saying pull a model from registry. I want you to saying like, O Llama pull Deepseek R1. Can you please type this? So next command, O Llama pull Deepseek R1. Can you please done this? Can you please done this, everyone? O Llama pull Deepseek R1. It's taking, I already downloaded, it's taking 4.7 GB. Can you please done this? O Llama pull. So next one, done. So O Llama list. So do you see guys, if you see this code, I want everyone listen to me. Does anyone has any problem? Olama, did I type? Once you type, you get a list of usages and available commands. We get to see it here. And you type as Olama list. Okay, team. Olama list. So yeah, good Kishore. Very good. How many of them working with me? It's downloading. So can I wait for some time, Aryan? Yeah, everyone. The new students, are you working team? The new guys who never into work before. It's very simple. Anyone can work with this. Pretty clear. So today's session, what are the topic we done? We just, sir, it's pulling. Yeah, we just wait for them. We just wait for them. New. Kavya still working, Kavya, with me? If you are you understand up to this what exactly sessions going on? The new students, my data is blank. Yeah. Check this Ola list name ID modify downloading till now actually. Okay, no, it will take some time because do you see 4.7 GB model you're downloading? So Kavya, the internet issues don't do. Let me tell you, pull command please again. So very simple, you can write this command olama. I will give you 4 commands here. First one, olama version. Please try this. Olama version, olama. See, let me tell you, the students who have internet issue is down, don't work. This is a live recording. I'll give it to you. So you make sure you scan the QR code. My team will share all the link to you so you can refer to that. Okay, so I'm waiting for you. So once you completed, please let me know. Please let me know. Error, Pranav, error because might be there is a memory issue. See guys, I'm using 16 GB RAM and I think 8 GB RAM also it will work. The new employee, the new students, new learner, see, even though you're working in 10 years in Java, still you are new to this. Pretty clear? You don't say that I'm a working professional. So what? If you're working professional, so what? Understand? There's a new technology, everybody has to learn. So the one who have internet issue, don't do it. You will do it later. Just uh, this one. For me, if I learning a new technology, which is quantum physics, quantum computing, I'm 18 year experience. So what? Market is growing. Vehicles are changing, but brain we need to change, isn't it? Yep, Saurav. Yes. So you download it. It does not matter how many parameters, but the size of the model is 4.7 GB. Are you completed? How many of them done? Just type C completed or D done. Very good. Done. Completed. Excellent. Wow, good response. Great. Fantastic. See, guys, this is not AI tools like digital marketing. Okay, we are not doing anything here. This is all core model building. We are a developer. We are a coder. We write a code, then someone will use. Remember this. Okay, Vishal. We just wait for everyone. Yeah. See, yeah, see, the one who has no internet, don't do it. You might be do it later. I can understand. After you done this, let's write Olama run Deepseek R1. Try this. Do you see the model is running now? The model is running now. Can you please check? We just wait for. See, guys, let me tell you, online team, the one who have less internet don't work. The one who have less internet don't work, and leave it. Just focus the class, and I will tell you. You can write a code in. See, guys. Hi, how are you? So, do you see? Let me ask you questions. Enter. Great. Do you see my model started responses or not? So finally, we successfully installed DeepSeek R1 model in our system. I'm just a virtual assistant, so I don't have a feelings, but I'm here. Think when I write a questions, my LLM Ulama model thinking and generate response. This is called text-based model. Pretty clear? So if you go back to here now, and the next part is, so we follow the step by step. You type Olama, then you check version, then you check Olama, pull DeepSeek R1, and then Olama run DeepSeek R1. Okay, so, okay, 2025, I'll write down here, 2025 trades, good or good or not. So trading platform. I mean, I can say 2025 job opening in data scientist or data science sector. Just go back and execute this. So do you see? Very good, Venkat. You enjoy the sessions. That's nice. Okay, great. The user asked about 25 job opening in the data science sector. First off, they might be planning the career. Do you see, guys? So my questions to you, did I train any data before? No, I didn't train any data before. It's very simple. We build Olama model custom. Yes, Aniket, I'll give you the recording. You go to YouTube, Naresh IT YouTube, and you get to know. So shall we watch this session again on YouTube? Yes, Kishore, again and again, it's live. Okay, please watch this. So most of the company used Olama in the organizations. By learning these skills, by learning today's session, you guys are very much clear, and you proudly mentioned in your resume, you build a custom model using Olama. Normally every professionals, they use Olama in their work. Yes, clear? Will this prompt work without waking localhost, right? So it will work without. Try this, Venkat. Try this without internet at work. Try this. But to download required internet, right, guys? Yeah, sure. Great. Do you see we generate a response like chatbot or not? We generate a response like chatbot. We generate a response like chatbot. Exactly. Chat GPT also gives same response. Google Gemini also got same response. You can write any questions. How many of them feels? See, do you see this? Most of the team they left now. Yeah, it's faster than GPT. Yeah, your words are very inspiring. Yeah, yeah, Ramu. So that's what most students get placed under my training program. Aryan, after pulling, no, don't work. Just listen. I'll. So it's good, sir. It's answer very well. Very good. Now I hope you understood. So great, guys. Congratulations. You get a chatbot model within a fractions of a seconds, within a 3 commands. So Rajendra, don't do right now. Maybe do it later. So Venkat, did you try without internet? It's working. Please let me know quick. Job openings. Great response. See, without slowing. If you're looking for it, give us summarizations also. Amazing, isn't it? So last command I was stuck. It's downloading due to lack of. Don't worry. Leave it, guys. I will share this link. You can work with me and बहुत मजा आ जाएगा ये चीज प्रैक्टिस करने में. मैंने कुछ कोड ही नहीं लिखा यार, हो गया. Isn't it? जस्ट मैंने 4 कोड लिखा. कितना कोड? इफ यू गो बैक ओलामा वर्जन्स, मेरे को वर्जन्स पता चल गया. ओलामा. Do you guys, you downloaded earlier? Eighth one. Please, Olama pull and Olama list. Last one, Olama run Deepseek R1. That's it. 8. So I'll copy them again. Still my model generate my responses. Just go to the chart and do it. It's working. Shakib, it's good. Great guys. You done Deepseek R1 model locally. Did you install or not? Did you working? Awesome. Very good, Venkat. So how many feel very good now? You build your own chat GPT. You're a developer, not a AI tools, guys. Great. See, kitna response is printing, man. Great. Thank you. Max. Okay, Pranav, you got Max retired because waiting for. So team don't work. Pretty see kitna message de diya mere ko. See, if you see this 2025 job opening, I'll copy. Let's copy again and I got response. What response my model generate? We'll see this now. Let me copy one more time. Let me copy. Just doing it and try to sum up all these pages and we get to know our final response. Just copy and go back here. Great. Do you see this, guys? These many responses I generate when I say 2025 job opening in data science sector. So which model we use now? So everyone learn how to use DeepSeek R1 model practically, locally. We didn't use any API key. Are we use any API key? Are we use any API key? Answer me yes or no. We didn't use any API key. So companies, can you use it in organizations now? Yes, everyone can use in organizations without any hard coded, without any hard code. Okay. Are you done this? We'll get there. Okay, that's fantastic. No security issues. It's my system. It's my Windows. Why you feel security issues? Yes, you will feel security issue if you integrate with some other platforms like Hugging Face, Grok. Pranav, this is not the time to fix the bug. You have to reinstall again. Uninstall, reinstall, do it. You can do it later. Okay, Pranav? Yeah, you can write other words, Ramu, but we'll do with other code. Can we do the other code now? You can write multiple questions. You can write a multiple questions. And okay, so who is Prime Minister? Who is Prime Minister of India? Okay, let me enter. Do you see I write a prompt and my DeepSeek R1 model thinking? It's like agents. I will tell you agents on 23 Feb. You can write them. I will share all this code to you so that you can understand. So Olama, I hope pretty clear about Olama, guys. Right now in Olama, we pulled which model? LLM model, Llama 3. You can pull many other models like Llama 3, 5, Mistral, Gemma, all the models. I want you to refer to the documentations and you can work Mistral, Quen, Gemma, Quen 2, Lava. No, this is no take any versions, nothing. Don't worry about that. So Windows, when you update Windows every month, Pranav, so can you tell me, is there any issues going on? No. Will it work? Raju, you can try that. It will work. See guys, you get error only one reason. Let me tell you, you will get error. See guys, the projects which I'm telling, you will get errors only one reason. You have, I mean, Olama not installed properly. So please reinstall again and delete from control panel. This is one platform. Other way around is, I mean, when you do for the first time, you have a more space required, at least 5 GB more space required. And trust me, I tried with other models. I tried with other models using Olama, but Deepseek runs very nice compared to other locally. Locally, what is meant by local? Locally means you use your personal laptop. Is called local. Understand? If I connect with something else, then this become your not a local. Yep, yep. Can we build other model? So let's go back to execute. Okay, still it's generating. Who is Prime Minister of India? Okay. Do you know agents? When I write a prompts, agents thinks from the Prime Minister is head of governance. So try to, I think it was Mr. Narendra Modi, but still it is referring some research and finally it produces accurate responses. We just wait for some time. I hope guys clear. So the one who laptop slow don't work, just listen to the today's workshop and I'll build another code. Two codes we left now. The first, everyone. Okay. Keshav, see, understand man, the model is trained. Can you build this in Java? Keshav, understand. This is slow means of course it's trained with this parameters. All right. Yeah. See, without trained, would you build this bot without trained? Okay. No, that's what I'm saying. So what is called generative AI? You don't train any data, the DeepSeek model responds. If you've been built in Java, people are generative AI generated 20 years back, correct? Yes or no? If they build AI generated generative AI machine learning, then Java in the market since 40 years. That means AI has launched 40 years back, 50 years back. Why they didn't launch it? Answer me, all experienced people. Make sense or not? Okay, let's finish it. We'll go to the next code now. Olam is completed. Man, it has no limit. Do you see? Yes, all limits I'll see. If I explain your answer, you can't understand. But system has considered by default tokens. Up to that tokens, it is print you an output. Okay, Nagraj? Exactly, Nagraj. That's what. Do you see this, guys? What fantastic. Before 2014, Manmohan Singh was PM. 24 to 29, Narendra Modi was PM. After 29, he remained PM due to support of. Oh, that's great. Do you see the responses? How accurate responses it is created. I want you to think it. See what exactly responses. If you see this, guys, you don't understand because 2014, Manmohan Singh was PM. It gives a list of with year wise. So that's the difference between ChatGPT and this one. So this is power of extra parameters. Before 2014, Manmohan Singh, 2014 to 19, Modi. After 29, Modi, because it's clearly responds me. Definitely last elections he won because of other two parties, isn't it? Great. Are you clear, everyone? Did you clear? I'll come back to you. Just Control G, exit. I'll come out of my Olama, exit. Done. Proper. Okay, Mohanty. Okay, buddy. But still, this is, come on, man. Try to be a, Mohanty, are you working professional? Support from people, not oppositions. This is not a political debate. I want you to know very well, this is the practical, my LLM model responds the data. Pretty clear? So today you mail to DeepSeek and you convey your message to him. ঠিক আছে? Guys, clear now? See, Amul, I will talk to you guys. Why they can't teach her? Can you please ask to that's okay? Can we go to the next projects, everyone? Amul, you stay. I'll talk to the last. Mohanty, you say. I will talk to the last. Any experienced people, wait. I will talk at the last. Okay? Yeah. Because Thakur ChatGPT give one line because it was trained with few parameters, but Open DeepSeek trained with multi-billion parameters. So that's the reason you got more response. No, you said I don't want response, then go and drop an email to it. You don't use DeepSeek then. Come on, man. There is a maturity required to ask a questions. Understand? Some of people only ask a questions which is doesn't make sense. Balu, you save your model in your laptop, right? Exactly, it's a simple DeepSeek model response. Yeah. Okay, can we go to the next one now? All right, guys, we'll try to write a code now. Let's do these things. So we run DeepSeek model locally. Good. Let's go to the another projects. Ninth. Everyone open VS Code. So the students who know how to open a VS Code, you can work with it because I would select this is the best platform. And 10th, create a new file. Create a new file. For example, I'll right click and here, or maybe I'll just folder. Okay, let's call it DeepSeek workshop. Just go back. Do you see DeepSeek workshops, guys? So what I'm gonna do, I'll right click new file and R1 here app.py. Pretty clear. So this one also done. Understood, guys, up to this? Okay, so what we're trying to do now here, we write a small code. And before you write this code, I want to install. So the next projects, we build another projects using help of LangChain framework. Another project with the help of LangChain framework. So when you go back to this now, here we go. Just one moment. Yeah, so guys, no, you can work this one now. It will work, team. This projects you can start. Second one. So slideshow from current slides. So this projects we done using CMD command prompt we learned. Download DeepSeek we done, Olama versions, test these prompts, everything we've been completed, guys. So what I want you to do is, I want you to install, I'll show you another document to have more understand. Just give me some time. So just go to desktop, work, NIT, workshop, web, then, okay, let's try this here. So I will share all these documents to you so that you can work and download. I want to install 3 library. First library, VS Code install below library, pip install upgrade. Okay, LangChain community. Just go here, this one. I want everyone to install this library. Pip install upgrade LangChain community. So next one, I want you to install pip install u LangChain Olama. So next one, pip install Streamlit. Please let me know once you covered this. Please let me know once you covered this. So how do you do this? There's a 3 libraries you want to install below library. Pip install, what is LangChain? So LangChain is the framework. LangChain is the, sir, can we use Jupyter? Lira, it's try. You can use Jupyter, no problem. But if you are stuck, maybe you can listen and you do it later. Okay, no problem. So LangChain is framework to build LLM models, guys. All right, so there's a mini framework. sklearn is the framework to build ML. NLTK is the framework to build NLP. Cool. Okay. So I want how to install, go to the VS Code and just go to terminal, new terminal. I will share you 3 link to you now. Just 1 second. Let me copy and everyone. Okay. Be clear. How do you install? Go to the terminal. And what is the first one? Pip install LangChain community. Just copy and terminal. Enter. Installation's done. Next one, backspace. Second one, pip install Olama, done. Enter. And then pip install Streamlit. Once you're done, you can do it. See, that's what I'm saying. Because in your see the one who not able to do it, you can do it later because I will share all this recording to you guys. It will work. Okay, Aryan? Okay. Yes. So after you've done this, let's start the code. We'll try to do the code and then we'll see how exactly it works, guys. And I want to integrate. So we create a code as well uh, from from langchain dot prompt. Okay, import. I think chart prompt. No, chain prompt. Not chart prompt template. Okay, so this is one. So any spelling is wrong. Check this from langchain dot prompts. Okay, PROMPTS. That's good. Tab. Execute. Next one I can write as from langchain change underscore olama, because so here we try to work with olama dot llms because we try to build import olama lm, no large language model, llm. Clear, guys? So there is a two library we done from langchain dot prompts import chart prompt templates. Okay, I'm just checking the spell again because these things would be. So I want to define a template now. So template equals to, I'll write a small questions. Just go for questions and okay, just tab. I don't need any context here. TEMPLATE questions. That's good. And all right, the answer equals to, I could say, let's generate the answer. Generate the answer step by step. So I try to create a this things case. So here we go. Anything I missed left? Okay. So I better, so rather than I can create a 1, 2, 3, and this one also 1, 2, 3. Perfect. So anyone is working with me? So if you're not, maybe you can do it later, but you just let's see how exactly. Yeah. From langchain dot prompts, we create a chart prompt. And from langchain underscore olama, LLMs import olama LLM. Okay, and define template questions. We try to questions, generate the answer step by step. Okay, now I want to create a prompt equals to, let's do chart prompt template and here chart prompt template tab, and from no, I think from, okay, this one, from template and template. So very simple. Now I want to call the Olama model, where, okay, so which model I have to call? Model equals to, okay, this Deepseek R1 model. Okay, we just call, and I just create a chain. So very simple. What are the steps we done? We just import this library. You just install langchain.prompts, and after that we create a template to define the prompt template. We just define the prompt template here, and a user create the prompt templates where using given template. Okay, and we call the model just from the Olama. We called Deepseek R1 model, and chain chain equals to, I think, prompt, and let's call model. Let's try to ask you questions as input, create a, okay, so I could say that tab, enter the questions, or enter your prompt, enter your questions, or I can say that's fine. Let's keep it enter your questions here, and this is okay. And okay, so here let me execute. Okay, that's fine. So here I can say like, can you display? Okay, now prime. Okay, so maybe if I say prime minister, someone is against with this guy, so I will change a question. How are you? Enter. Still it's not working, but not get error. Okay, so I'll try to questions. Let's use try block, exceptional handling. So I'm not getting output. So okay, so formatted prompt. I'm just create a formatted prompt equal to prompt dot format. So we can try to do a format here. Questions is equals to questions. That's good. So questions equal to questions. Okay. And then formatted, we get it. So once a user write a query, so we need to get a response equal to not chain dot run. First invoke not prompt. So here I'll try to create as, here we go, question equal to question. Great. So after you done this, next I want to print a responses equal to responses. So let me check why I got this error. Okay, if question, that's good. Try. All right, formatted prompt format question equal to questions, we done. And here response chain dot, can I invoke or run? Which one? Let's see. If it's get some bugs, then I will change to run. Response is done. So let's try to accept block and raise an exceptions. No. And print. Okay, error. Oops. Okay, Krish, what is the difference between, okay, the custom chart prompt and LLM chart prompt? Okay, I will tell you, Chris. Let me finish it. I will talk to you. Okay. Yeah. So I just let me finish this. All right. Let's create a error. This would be fine. Can we use in Spider? Spider, I think these, Chris, I'll tell you. Custom means you can build locally, man. LLM prompt means you can use your custom means you can use in. I'll get back to you for. Let's finish this. Error E. Okay, let's try this. I hope it's done. And Control S. चलो एक बार रन करेंगे. Okay. Oops, I'm sorry. So here we go. Control S. File. How are you? Try this. Any error, guys? Wait for some time because it will take some time. No, I already saved last time. Yeah. So we'll do this. Do you see, guys, when I try to directly introduce in command, I got my response. When the same things I've been execute in LangChain framework, the Deepseek model is processing. It will take some time. Correct, guys? Yeah. So we just try to wait for some time. Okay. Oh, yeah, it's working. Thank you. I'm here to help you. So team clear now? Okay, great. So how many of them done? All right. So whose question? Chris, right? Custom model means you can fine tune LLM models. Understand? LLM model means ChatGPT has developed it. So you can't fine tune. But few of the models you can't fine tune. Clear, Chris? Thanks. Okay, good one. So if you go back to here, so I will share this copy and I will share the code to here. So can we use in Spider? Spider you can try, but you can try it later, Lila. Okay, I post this code. Can you get this, guys? Can you try this code, copy and paste it and let me know how you got output? Great. Do you see this, guys? Using help of file, save all, using help of we generate a response. But now what happened? In this code, if you refer to this code, so what exactly code we've been written here? I try to install the 3 library. Let's above. So what is the 3 library I told you to install? Let me copy and I'll use here, and this one hash it, and this one I will hash it. Clear? So 3 library you have to install, guys. Rules. And the first one, so pip install upgrade LangChain community and LangChain framework, pip install u LangChain Olama is integrated with LangChain, and pip install Streamlit. So we install the 3 library. And yeah, I already shared this. Maybe you will do it later, no problem, guys. And after that, we create a prompt, because once we import this library, we call chart prompt Olama, 2 libraries we import from these frameworks. We create a define the prompt template. We define the prompt template here, and then we create this one. What we done, we create a template by pass this prompt, and let's instantiate this model. We try to call the model from Deepseek. And what are the next step we done? We create a chain, because what is meant by chain? When I will lang chain, because chain will help the user query and LLM models and generate a response. And then we try to questions asked by the users. And after that, we use, if the users enter any query, the prompt will and invoke chain will invoke, guys. If you don't write any prompt, then it will give you an error. Okay, so it's just we just format the input questions and we got response. Pretty clear, guys. Up to this I hope understand. Up to this I hope understand. Yeah. Okay, I will share this code. Let's delete everything. Let's delete everything. Now what we do, we try to create a front end. So in the same things, everyone, what is Streamlit? What is Streamlit, guys? To create this is the backend. Let's create a UI. So import Streamlit as st. All right, we just created this. That's fine. And I want to set up the app here. St dot title. I want to create a title as just say I can use my bot, KPS data science, or maybe I can say Deepseek bot. Okay. All right. I can say like Naresh IT chatbot, Naresh IT chatbot using Deepseek R1 model with the LangChain. Okay, that's fine. This would be fine. This is what I create a bot, because you can write your name, own name. All right. Yeah. So can you give a bit of explanations about Streamlit? Shake Streamlit, it is a front-end platform where you create a front-end UI about the Streamlit. Okay, so it has, when I will try to take another sessions on Streamlit, where we create a front end. What is front end? When you log into the Instagram, it asks your user ID password, right? What's your questions? Shake, right, guys? So we'll discuss all those things in a class session. And template is done. And anything, let me change. Do I have to change? Okay, here we call Streamlit, where we create a bot and chain prompt. In the question, rather than here, I try to st.text input. And sorry, it's not here. Already input is there. Okay, the questions has done and formatted if questions try block. Okay, response we done. Chat dot. Okay, so rather than print, I don't want to print response in this prompt. I want to change this to, okay, let me remove this and st.write good response here. That's fine. And here I don't want to use this rather than a st.write. Okay, so control S, that's great. So we just edited this code and go back to the terminal, new terminal. And here, let me go to the command prompt, and where I save this code, cd deepseek, no, cd deepseek workshop and streamlit run app.py. Oh, hold on. What happened? Streamlit run. Just wait for some time. Any error? Oh, that's nice. We build a NareshIT chatbot. Let's enter a question. The question is 2025 generative AI job openings. Okay. Now let's enter. Fantastic. Guys, wonderful. So do you see we created an app now? We created a, I mean, we just create a front end where we just create a simple box where you can create a chatbot. So this is what DeepSeek R1 we integrated with. It will take some time because we call DeepSeek model and we use Streamlit, we use LangChain. It will take some time because we don't use any API key. So can I share this code to you? Can I share this code to you? How many of them understand today's sessions, guys? How many of them has understand today's session? How many of them has understand today's session? Let me save it first. Copy, clear, very good. Okay, see, do you see cycle is running? Cycle is running, matlab it'll take some time. Okay. Still share the code. I will share it. Just one moment. In the meantime, I will talk to you. Just post. This is awesome workshop. Great. So can you please copy the code? Balu, unmute you. Yeah, what's your query? We just wait for some time. In the meantime, I want you to try. I shared the code. Everyone, please try that. So do you, once you scan the QR code, I'll post all the class recording documents, everything. So after that, I'll use another code. We'll build first projects we completed with Olama. Second projects we build using LangChain frameworks along with Streamlit. Now we'll try to work using, do we customize Olama database? Yes, Alok, you can do that. So you can work using vector database. So most of the real-time companies, they have problems on hallucinations, on the model setting. Okay. So I also done, I hope you understood. All right. So that's why it's in research phase. I mean to say still most company, rather than they integrate on chat GPT and all those things. Okay. Yeah. What's your query, buddy? Who's have any query? Same. Hussein. What happened? See, it takes some time. I'm just waiting. In the meantime, I'll share the code. How many of them got this front end? May I know, please? How many of them working? And I post the code as well. Okay, working. Really good workshop. Pranav, nice. See, guys. So is Olama versus Hugging Face? No, both are different. Both are three different because in the first workshops might be you little confused, Kuvor. Olama is a website. Hugging Face is a company. Olama where you can build LLM models in your system. But Hugging Face, you can connect Hugging Face and you can work the LLM projects in Google Colab, in VS Code. Understand? LangChain is a framework where you can build Olama and Hugging Face because this framework you can use. So I will take another sessions on what is Hugging Face, what is Grok. See, LLM models are very large model. You cannot work in your system, correct? Understand, Kubur? Sometimes system is slow. So that's the reason Hugging Face is a company created by American. So you can connect to the Hugging Face API key and you can build large language model in your system using help of LangChain framework and Olama. Kuvur, understood? Hugging Face is interface. That's right. Recorded video. Recorded video, it's in live. I will share to you. So why Indian companies not making? Indian companies are there, Kunal. Already you can see Hanuman bot, all those things is already built. So that's why new startup companies are launched. Now the Indian companies are invested. If you understand the last budget, so the budget is friendly. So now the government has most give the feasibilities to work with the startups. Clear. So that's why most Indians, okay, that's great. Do you see I got responses or not now? See this, guys. Okay, so I need to figure out how many generative AI jobs opening there into 2025. Where do I start? Well, first off, that AI is really big market these days. So according to industry wise, do you see this, guys? Industry growth and technological policy, educations, given these factors. Okay. So guys, are you responded? But the response time is little late, but still we got a response, isn't it? Can you tell me which companies hiring in 2025 about LLM model 2025 for 2025 for generative AI. Okay, let's enter. It will take some time. We just wait. See, there is no experienced person, there is no VP, there is no AVP. These tools are kill the jobs indirectly. Understand? Yeah, we web development, you have to check your integrations, because what credentials data you pass. So those things. So that's what most of the companies are doing R&D on how the data security. So that's what, because in Gemini AI, there's a little bit security breach. So that's why OpenAI has most companies are used. But now DeepSeek, there is less concerned about security. So people are, employees, companies are still waiting for testing going on research field. After everything is fine, yes, you can integrate with web development for experience, for freshers, for everyone. Because of chat gpt, because of these AI platforms, where if a company hire 10 employees, now they stop hiring 10, they're hiring only 5. Yeah, you can mention Kubur. For that, you need to talk one on one. So you need to connect with LinkedIn. Can you share this code if any doc related? I will share my GitHub. Can you scan the QR code WhatsApp group? I will share the code to my admin. I'll share my GitHub so where you can link to there. So did you join the WhatsApp group? Do you want these docs? Do you want these documents? Do you want these documents as well? Yes, team. How was it? Amazing workshop? How do you feel? Is it good? Is it informative? Would you mention in your resume and you can speak up to your people, to your uh, great. So I want everyone to like this workshops, the video, YouTube video, and comment, because it was informative. Really enjoyed it. Very good. Still, I didn't complete. I'll have another projects. Still, just hold on. We'll try to finish another one, because you people are working. I'm just still it's running. So I'll give another practicals. So I think the YouTube, go to Naresh IT, and let me open Naresh IT, uh, just YouTube, and I'm just waiting. Sir, code अनिकेत, कोड मैंने दिया अभी, एक सेकंड और एक बार दे दूंगा. I will see, please. Modeler through our systems is prompt. So someone asked, Venkat, did you try? Sir, I got in a Llama runner. Please share the code. I will share just 1 second. All right. So if you see this, the workshop is going on, guys. If you see this, so I want you to copy this link, and I want everyone to like it and comment it, because I'll bring up 23. I create a new workshop on agentic AI. So you can, it's also free. You try to join and work with me. So you can go back and try to work this, guys. Okay, please comment and like this button, guys. Okay, I'll share this code. Let me close. And the codes are, I will share my GitHub. I have to upload all the codes in GitHub. Once I upload this code in GitHub, Control C, and I'll post, try this. Okay, this code. Can you please copy and do it again? Still, do you see this is my front end and the back end is still waiting for run? Is it completed? And after that, we'll build. Process is going on. It will take some time because 641 billion parameters has good, Rahul. Good. Great. So how many companies are hiring? If you see established tech companies like big tech firms, Google, Microsoft, IBM. What is my prompt? Can you tell me which company is hiring? So today I'll give you a clarity what is difference between machine learning, okay, a developer, trained, historical, labeled data, that means Excel, CSV file, to build predictive model, to build predictive model by using algorithms, by using algorithms. Which algorithms? Regression, classifications, and clustering. Clear? This is all about your machine learning. What is artificial intelligence? Or you have like NLP, deep learning. So here the developer trained, okay, data which is unsupervised data. That means text, image, video. Data comes from sensors. The data comes from, robots, drones, all the data. That means a user has to trained. I'll tell you, because you might be user has to trained some question answers and all those things. What is generative AI? In generative AI, user no need to train the data, guys. No need to train the data. So the data has pre-trained by LLM companies like OpenAI, Deepseek, Gemini, Llama. Are you clear? And these models and LLM models, these are called. So there's a question: how exactly the pre-trained done? Pre-trained model done by BERT, and then transfer learnings, GANs, VQ GAN, timing transformer, autoencoder, okay, and the transformers, encoder, decoder, all those things. Anyone got a clarity? What is difference between machine learning, NLP, deep learning? So this is all technical terms because you can't understand everything in one day. Um, okay, testing means if you got your proper response, that's fine. So testing means, so good question. If a client assigned you some work, you build a model, the model generates some response. You show the response to the client. If the client is agree, your test cases are pass. So you order a food from Zomato. You got your response or not? That means you're a client. Zomato is a developer. I hope you got your answers. Clear? Can we go to another projects, guys? Garima, I will speak with you. Can we go to last final project? Final project. Okay, let's continue the final projects and then I'll share all this code on my team. Yes. Okay. So I hope understand we create a front end, we create a back end using amazing platform called Deepseek, and using Olama also we develop. All right, guys. Next, if you refer to the documentations which I created for you, just refer to the doc. And if you go back to the documentations, we'll try to, here we go. Just where is my PDF? Refer to the PDF, third projects. I wanted to use openrouter.ui project to DeepSeek integrations using OpenRouter. Now the project 2, DeepSeek integrations using OpenRouter. So what is OpenRouter? So if you go back to the here Google, and I can say that as first one, OpenRouter AI. Do you see OpenRouter AI? This is another interface where you develop LLM models. Interface means broker, mediator. Hugging Face is a mediator where a user can work with LLM models. Pretty clear? Interface. So right click and open link in this one. After you do this, do you see this is Open AI interface? So what are the interfaces we have? So we have three interfaces like Hugging Face, which most of them used, Grok, and now OpenAI router. These are interfaces. Yeah. So everyone open this, guys. OpenRouter.ai. Please work with me this one. I hope you understood. Please copy. Let's work second project. First step. Go to Google. Second step, type OpenRouter.ai. Second one. Once you're done, just execute this. After you execute, you get these options. Do you see you'll have a search options or not? You will have a search options here. Type DeepSeek. Do you see DeepSeek, Distill, Llama 3, Quen model, everything? I want you to select free, DeepSeek R1 free. Guys, are you working? Guys, are you working? Yes. Yeah, great. So just go back to the DeepSeek and here R1 free. Okay. Just search model. So open router and you get a search model box, and there you type DeepSeek R1 free 4. Are you done this? DeepSeek R1 free. Done. Very good. In this one, come down, come down. Do you see R1 free? I want you to little scroll down and just scroll down. See these things, if I explain, you will leave up. So I will tell you later all those things. And create API key. Just what I want you to do, just create a API key and right click, open link in new tab. So I'm just create. Okay. Anyone? I already created. Can you please create this API key, guys? So search and scroll down and then create API key. So let me copy my API key. How many of them created API key? Please let me know. Just desktop and here API list. Okay, copy that. Done. Fifth one. Copy the API key and paste somewhere, guys. API key and the way I pasted here. This is API key I pasted. Fifth point, sixth. Do you paste it, guys? Yes, done. Very good. After you API key pasted, great. That's great. So after you're done, again, go to Google. Okay. If you refer to the OpenAI router, and where is that? One moment. Okay. So not here. Okay. Do you see copy this code, guys? OpenAI Python. OpenAI Python. I am copy this code. Do you see this, guys? I copy this code. Everyone, please copy this code. And after you're done, just go to Google and type Google Colab and copy API key and just copy the OpenAI with Python integrations key code, integrations code, 7th. Then go to Google and then go to Google Colab, 8th. Just here and go to Google Colab and then Google Colab again. And here just create a new notebook and then create a new notebook. 8th. Clear up to this? No, very simple. What I done? Okay, are you done up to this, guys? Everyone? What did I said, guys? Very simple. If you go back to here, open a Google first step, open a Google, clear, then Google Colab, execute that, clear, go back to the first step, completed Google. Guys, nowadays what happened? People are habit of slow. Yeah, wait. Let me see. Do you think client will explain slowly in company? That's why many people are not getting job, guys. First go to Google, done. Second step, Google Colab, enter. After click on Google Colab, very simple. Third step, create a new notebook. Just click on it. Balu done. New notebook. click on this. This is recording. This is recording. After you done, do you see everyone got like this platform? Please answer me yes or no. Everyone got this platform? Yes or no? Yes. Yes. Great. So go to runtime, go to runtime, go to runtime, change runtime type to GPU and save. Go to runtime, change runtime type to GPU. CPU means our personal laptop. GPU means graphic process. It's quite faster. We call gaming laptops, right, guys? If you see Amazon, Flipkart, gaming laptops has more costlier than CPU. Then save it. Done this? Done. Great. After you done, do you have this option? Check everyone, change runtime, check again. GPU guys selected everybody. That's great. Now I want you to select this icon. I want you to select this icon. I want you to select this icon. Just click on this icon. Just click on this icon. Clicked this one. After click, do you see these options? Click it here, mount drive. It asks for a permission, connect to Google Drive. And just wait. It will ask for a permission. Do you see your drive is mounted? I want everyone to follow this. Please write down. Please do it. What we done first step? First step, we go to Google, type Google Colab, then notebook. And after the notebook, what we done? Runtime, change runtime type to GPU, save it. Now select this icon, click on it, select this one. You ask a permission, whatever Gmail opened, it will ask for a drive. After drive, just write NVIDIA SMI. Oops. Execute this code. Great. So do you see, you can check, write this code. You can also check like this. You get your Colab Pro 15 GB. You got 15 GB RAM. Okay, you got 15 GB RAM, which given by Google, but your personal RAM is 8 GB, isn't it? So are you done, everyone up to this? Please let me know. Let me know after that. Yes or no, guys? Done. Great. How many of them? Balu, everything done, guys? Everybody? Okay, that's great. Great. See, the one who knows, that's fine. The one who don't know, please. And create a code. Sir, unable to find runtime. Can you please watch it? You will do. Can you little go up and you can check runtime over here? Can you do F11, something like that? And you change the code. OpenAI router. Okay. File, save. So after done, do you see we got this code or not? In R1 open router, I want you to copy the code and come here and paste here, guys. Can you please paste the code? Can you please paste the code? After you paste, remove your API key and add your API key over here. Just copy and copy. Please, I will change the API key later, but you can do it. Control S. So after you're done, just change the, what is meaning of life? I can say like how a non-technical learner transit toward data science. Okay, I write a query and now fire it, execute it. And you see we call Deepseek model again, and we work using OpenAI API key. So today, a lot of things you guys learned. So I know many of them people are left because in the world, very hard thing is study. Everything is you can do, but study, most of them people are can't do. Sit in front of the systems, they won't do it. But sit in front of the Instagram, yes, they will do it. Isn't it, guys? It will take some time. You copy your API key and paste here. Done. We'll copy this API key. Anybody got response? Yes. Aditya, so can you please tell which code you need to copy? If you go to the R1 Umesh, this one, OpenAI Python, just copy this code and paste in prompt and then API key here, and then you work, it will work. Okay, that's great. Do you see? So today you build lot of in 2.5 hours. Got out. How is feeling, guys? It's amazing. Sainath, good Darshanikant, everyone. So today, super. You can change any now. Copy the code and paste it somewhere. You can try to. It's amazing. Great. Got response. Maza aa raha hai, right? Super. So, but trust me, yeah, you can. So, what I'm trying to say, you can build in API key. See, Deepseek model. Are you clear now? Deepseek model, everyone understood. Now, happily, you can mention your resume. Deepseek R1 integrations with Olama. Yep. Uh, no problem, Abhijit. It will take time. Thoda time lag jayega, but everything will be fine. So, guys, I hope 3 projects we completed. Just can you send me some sample DS resume? See, those things we will do it in the class. Okay, so I'll have a lot of resumes and I will update you. So here, what is the things we completed today? List of topics completed. List of topics completed today's session. The first one is about me. Second one is we talk about intro to Deepseek. Third one is Deepseek versus ChatGPT. ChatGPT. Fourth one, just now explain difference between ML versus AI versus generative AI. Okay. Fifth one, introduce to Olama. Project one. Which project one? We build Naresh IT bot using Deepseek R1. Okay. Using which Olama locally. We build in custom means local without any API key. Without any API key. Prior to that, we build Olama in system command prompt. In system command prompt, correct? The sixth one, we'll build the sixth one. The seventh one, we integrations with OpenAI router.co, and we generate API key. And we use Google Colab and produced our response. These many. So we introduce all those things done. And also just go back to these explanations here and slideshow from current slides. See, I already take my previous video. I'm sharing to you. If you follow these videos, guys, mostly 50 to 60% generative AI are completed, guys. RAG, Creo AI, Stable Diffusion, Statistics, and Llama 3.2 Prompt Engineer. And today's session also I will include. So I hope everyone scan it. So if someone who wants to willing to join data science under my guidance. So you or your friends, you can refer Naresh IT, and my new batch will start from next week. So you can happily refer your friends. You get to see a fantastic results after the course. So I want you to scan this QR code. After you scan this QR code, I will share my GitHub. I will share the documents and everything's you can find out here. So I hope you can connect my LinkedIn as well. So in the LinkedIn, you can refer to my LinkedIn, just copy, and I will share to your LinkedIn. Any questions you can ping me, and so I can also take more workshops on upcoming days. There are more latest things. So you don't need to go anywhere. Just follow our Naresh IT Instagram as well. We also had Naresh IT Instagram channel. In Instagram, you can see my how many students are got placed, and you can get to see my most updated things in here. So you can try to fetch the content from here as well for more informations. So the way I explained today, so see, this course can learn by anybody, so you can refer to your friends and all those things. Are you clear? So guys, I've been taking 2.5 hours. It's we already completed 2.5 hours. See, what I want to do, if you really feel the session is great, so please don't forget to like and must be comment, and you're practical, how you stuck on your comment, and share to your friends, guys. Because see, I'm not doing marketing here, but this is what I have to, my company has to grow. So that's the reason. So many students are learning the classes, but still they don't do it. It's really, I hope you guys clear. Okay, so please like, comments, and share to your friends. Clear? So how is session? Amazing, good. You feel excellent, guys. So you got a lot of, it is worthy what asking. Okay, that's fine. So that's what, if you feel, that's go ahead and give a like and comments. I see at least more than 200 to 300 likes and comments as well. Appreciate it. If not, it's up to you, man. See, your life, whatever you do, it's up to you. Okay, team? Okay. Anyone has any more questions? I hope you scan it again one more time. I will share all these documents to my admin, so you will get it. And also knowledgeable sessions. Very good, Abhijit. Please send the code this sessions on WhatsApp. Yeah, we will share it, Kunal. No need to worry. You will get all those things. So any question? So stay tuned for upcoming new sessions about me, and where can we get the documents? Aniket, did you scan this QR code? Thank you, Venkat. So doing full stop. Can I join? Yes, of course. Abhijit, you can join. Sir, how do I install CMD using? Sakib, can you please follow the YouTube so that you can listen? Just now I explained. Can we add this projects? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. But few things, can you send me some? Yeah, we will. I will do it. Amazing, guys. Got response. Superb. Clear. So done, sir. Got output. Very nice. So thank you. Any more questions? Garima, I'm sorry. You're just saying something. And I was unmute, Garima. Answer आया आपको? Did you got the response?
सर
Hi.
सर मेरे को एक कोई डाउट था।
हम्म
आपने बैक एंड फ्रंट एंड आपने दोनों क्रिएट किया था ना सर VS कोड।
हम्म
तो फ्रंट एंड के लिए आपने स्ट्रीम लिट यूज किए थे क्या?
हाँ
क्योंकि सर मेरे को एक कंफ्यूजन है, जैसे डॉटनेट में हम फ्रंट एंड के लिए HTML यूज करते हैं,
हम्म
बट इसमें क्या सीन है? इसमें फ्रंट एंड और बैक एंड का VS कोड में ही कोड हम लिख दे रहे हैं।
बस हो जाएगा ना ऐसा।
अच्छा, बस वही ना
तो
सर?
इसके, हाँ वही है। तुम उसको और भी ऐड कर सकते हो। ये जो मैंने फ्रंट एंड किया वो थोड़ा सिंपल था। उसमें आप HTML CSS उसको थोड़ा और थोड़ा मॉडिफाई कर सकते हो आप। ठीक है,
ओके,
दोस थिंग्स आई विल टेल यू लेटर।
ओके ओके। मीन सर मैं फ्रंट एंड अपना VS कोड में भी लिख के इनबिल्ट मतलब बना सकती हूँ, अदरवाइज HTML भी यूज।
हाँ, you can.
ओके ओके, बस बस।
ठीक है ना? उसको बनाने के लिए बहुत कुछ है। फ्लास्क भी यूज कर सकते हो, जेंगो भी यूज कर सकते हो, फास्ट एपीआई भी यूज कर सकते हो, बिकॉज दिस थिंग स्ट्रीमलेट इज वेरी गुड एंड यूजर फ्रेंडली। तो उतना कोड लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, 3-4 लाइंस पे हो गया, राइट?
हाँ, यस सर, वही।
ठीक है,
हाँ, ओके।
नो प्रॉब्लम। ओके, थैंक यू। यू अंडरस्टैंड?
यस यस सर।
Okay, that's good. System i3 11th 8. Long time take. No, no, it's not like that. So it will see the DeepSeek model only. It will take more time. Clear? Okay. Any more questions? If okay, Nagendra. One second. Where are you? Unmute you, Nagendra. Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm able to hear. Are you able to hear?
Yeah. Yeah, I can.
Yeah, I'm non-technical guy. So the
Okay.
concepts, whatever you are saying related to model, so and so,
Hmm.
I'm not aware of that. So if I join the
Hmm.
course, will you be
Hmm.
teaching that as well?
Yeah. See, the course takes 6 months, buddy. In the 6 months, I will teach you from scratch level. Right? So because see, if a guy never learns school, if I join directly in graduations, do you think he will learn, Nagendra?
No, we need to guide that.
No. Exactly. So that's what happened. In the 6 months, I'll make you 4-year experience guy. You today you write somewhere. After 6 months, you watch the class, you listen this video. Sir, you explain very easy. You only say to me. So
Okay,
that's what you.
and will there be any job assistant?
See, job assistant, yes, some of the companies we also tie up with Naresh IT. See, man, job assistant also you must be done some colleges. They didn't give job assistants to you,
Yes, we got it.
then why you didn't get it?
No, now I am working, but I am
Come
non-technical
on,
guy.
come
So
on,
I want
man.
to move it to
You
technical.
working, you shouldn't ask this question. I mean to say, yes, because in your whatever company you're working, I'll give projects. You work on the projects. You mentions in your resume. So that's what I'm saying. Under my training, most people already joined. Assistance is there. No problem.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Who else? हाँ, और किस किस को डाउट है? So guys, we'll schedule a demo. Ajit, unmute you. Mehboob, Fatima, Nagendra, done? Okay, thanks. हाँ,
Able to you.
yeah, one by one. May I know who's this online?
Sir, this is Ajit here.
Ajit, go ahead, please.
Ajit.
Yeah.
Sir, already I shared you with my updated resume, and I was part of your last class of data science couple
Mhm.
of years before. So, how it would be relevant to this course? And this is something wherein when I got an interview
Ajit,
call.
we're already discussing in WhatsApp, right?
Yes, sir, yes.
Then what is the point that you discuss here?
Okay, sir.
Come on, man, use your brain.
Yes,
Sorry to say this.
no problem, sir.
Okay. Okay,
Fatima
Fatima,
here.
unmute you. Yeah, Fatima, please go ahead.
It's a great presentation. Thank you for that.
Thank you.
Is the course about DeepSeek, or are you is the course about the whole data science which you're doing? So I'm interested
No,
in the whole
no.
data science.
Yeah, see, Deepseek is part of the course. Understand?
Yeah.
So data science is full course. DeepSeek is part of the data science. Generative AI is part of the data science. Understood? So new data science program, I will start from next week. It will take 6 months.
And that covers the whole of
Everything,
DeepSeek.
everything.
All right. Okay.
So that's what when you take you join the group, right, Fatima?
Yep, that's right.
So we will schedule a demo sessions. I'll explain all those things. What are the topics we covered? You listen to that. If you interested, then only we'll go for it. Clear?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. Thanks.
Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you. Okay, Mehboob, unmute you. Mehboob, unmute you. Yeah, we will share. We will share when the time. Okay, Nagraj, sir, exactly what we learn in this course, where it is used. Aniket, unmute you.
Hello,
What
sir.
questions
Did
you
you hear
asking,
me?
man?
Hello?
One moment, guys. Yeah, please. Yeah, Mambu, go ahead.
Yeah, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Uh,
Chapandi.
sir, when your batch will be start, sir, actually?
Next week might be 16, 17 నా టైంలో రావచ్చు గ్రూప్లో మీకు ఇన్ఫార్మ్ వస్తుంది.
Okay. Sir, another question. In
Hmm.
this data science, you will cover as
Hmm.
a machine learning and deep learning and everything.
ఎవ్రీథింగ్ అందుకే 6 months. Yes, everything I will covered.
Okay. Sir, actually, నేను BCA student ని. My actually domain is electrical. Okay, I'm working in Abu Dhabi.
Those things we will discuss in our demo session.
Okay,
Okay,
fine.
Mehboob,
And
because ఇది workshop.
you will start from basic level, right? In this course, you will
Everything I'll
start
start from
basic.
basic. Yeah,
There is no
everything
any
will
issue
start
for
from basic. No any prerequisite required. ఏం చేయ అవసరం లే. Just you have to work on daily basis task which I given to you. Pretty clear?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
No problem. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, thank you so much.
Aniket, are you there?
Lost the first part of the session, and I'm sorry.
Oh, you missed the first part of the session?
Yes. So
No
that's
problem,
why
Aniket. So once the YouTube is watch it, you can understand. What is ChatGPT, Aniket?
that's an AI tool which we use on our daily basis, problem solving like Excel. And actually, I'm from
But
non-IT
yeah,
guy.
yeah.
So,
I'll ask. But someone write the code in backend, right?
yeah,
So ChatGPT, who will develop? OpenAI, right?
yes.
Same way, DeepSeek also exactly like a chatbot, ChatGPT tools. But to write a code, you need to use API keys. But OpenAI API keys are paid one, but DeepSeek is a free one. So today onwards, you can write a query in ChatGPT and get a answer. Also, DeepSeek AI LLMs. You can also open the platform and write a query. It is a competitions.
Okay.
Not this. Correct.
Okay.
See, in the world, what happened? One guy open a shop, another guy open a shop or not?
Yeah. Yes.
That's a
Understood.
competitions. Exactly. So the chat GPT is already created. Now DeepSeek is created. So I already had a nice explanations before. So you can
Okay.
ask the questions. Clear?
Sure. I will go through it. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you. Sheikh, what questions you asking, man? What is meant by faster way? Yeah, you can faster way. You can complete all those things. I will share the recording videos. You can complete everything in 2 days and you can apply job. हो जाएगा? Unmute you. To cook a rice, we required some time or not? Or it will faster, it will give you. If your brain is understand as much, that's the way you can study. If your brain is very faster, then you can understand that. Okay, Sheikh, I will give there is no alternative way, man. Please understand. Okay, yeah. Sir, what are the parameters? 650 billion. So those things we'll understand later. So those parameters, like if you know machine learning, Prashad, I will talk about. Okay, Sheikh, am I clear your answer? The faster way is to learn this course. Every day spend 12 hours, do some practical. Many people are like you, they're not learning the codes at all, Sheikh, because faster way means थोड़ा तो time चाहिए practical के लिए, या without practical only by heart कर दोगे. Okay, Sheikh? You considered minimum 2 months, 3 months. Thanks. Okay. KLN. Thank you. So, one moment. Prasad, you there? And I'm searching. Yeah, unmute you. All right. So Prashad, I'll ask you, do you know machine learning? Parameter. No, I can't hear you.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So Prashad, ipudu, when you construct a house, మనకి parameters kavala, bricks, sand, okay, labors. This is called required or not to construct a house? Yes. The same things, when you build LLM models, we need some tools to generate that, to create the platform. Okay. Yeah, data science not like other course plan. Exactly, very good, Viranki. Data science not like other course plan to put 6 to 8 efforts to learn complete projects, different problem statements. Fantastic, that's absolutely true. Few things we cannot do instantly. Yeah, it will take minimum 6 to 8 months and more than that as well. Great.
Hello, sir. Sure.
Prashad.
అంటే పారామీటర్స్ అంటే లైబ్రరీస్ అలా ఇంక్లూడ్ అయి ఉంటాయి సార్ అందులో అట్లా
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ఒక లైబ్రరీ ఉంటుంది. ఆ లైబ్రరీ ఎట్ట బిల్డ్ అవుతుంది, ఏ ఏ టూల్స్ పెట్టేసి, ఏ పారామీటర్ పెట్టేసి యూజ్ అవుతుంది, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ పారామీటర్స్. సో అదే మెషిన్ లెర్నింగ్, అందుకే అడిగాను. ఇఫ్ యూ నో మెషిన్ లెర్నింగ్ ఇన్ డెసిషన్ ట్రీ ఆల్గోరిథమ్స్ బిల్డ్ విత్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్. ఓకే,
సార్ ఇది
గాట్ ఇట్.
డేటా ఎట్లా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అనేది ఎట్లా వస్తుంది సార్ ఎట్లా
ఇది
మామూలుగా రియల్ టైమ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఉంటుంది కదా సార్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్.
నువ్వు ఎవ్రీడే క్రికెట్ మ్యాచ్ చూస్తున్నావా ప్రసాద్? క్రికెట్ మ్యాచ్ లో డేటా ఎట్లా వస్తుంది లైవ్? ఎట్లా వస్తుంది? ఎట్లా ఎట్లా నీ టీవీకి డేటా ఎట్లా వస్తుంది?
సార్ లైవ్ స్ట్రీమింగ్ అదే డేటాబేస్ నుంచి కాఫ్కా ద్వారా
అదే అబ్బా. ఓకే ఓకే, నేను ఒక మాట చెప్తా. ఎందుకంటే ప్లే గ్రౌండ్ లో మ్యాచ్ జరుగుతుంది క్రికెట్, రైట్? డ్రోన్స్ ఉంటావా? డ్రోన్స్ నుంచి వీడియో క్యాప్చర్ అవుతుందా కాదా? ఆ డ్రోన్స్, ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ. లెట్స్ సే నేషనల్ హైవే రూట్ లో కెమెరాస్ ఉంటావా? నౌ యు గాట్ ద క్లారిటీ.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే సార్,
got it. So I will tell you, in company kuda same things, API, clients, databases, inka niku standing cameras. Okay, there's a lot of way, API calls, HTML, web scraping, multiple ways data get generated. That's the data sets created.
Okay,
good. If the data is Excel sheet, that's called supervised. If the data is images, that's called unstructured. Clear?
supervised.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. సో నేను ఇట్లా ఎగ్జామ్ ఇస్తే మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది సార్. హై కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ సిస్టమ్, ధీరజ్, కమ్ ఆన్ మ్యాన్. నో, ఐ థింక్ యూ జాయిన్ లేట్. యూ వాచ్ ద రికార్డింగ్, యూ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్.
Sir, I'm Ashraf.
Weights. Yeah, who's this? Sheikh Ashraf, bata.
Sir, thank you for this session, sir. I have experienced very lot. Sir, just I have asked a question in the chat box. So previously I have implemented RAG where I have connected LLM Llama 2 model with MySQL database.
Okay.
So whenever I ask a question, the LLM model generates the response by observing the database. So the response, as in today's session, you have also implemented the chatbot where the response time is somewhat late. So previously I thought that same in my case also in RAG, in the case of RAG.
See, I'll tell you one thing. Different vehicle is different speed. BMW in 1 hour, BMW goes very fast or not?
Yes, sir.
Maruti will go slow. You need to understand in today's scenario, आपको समझ में आना चाहिए, ओलामा मॉडल हम locally build किए without API की. It will take time or not?
Yes.
If I use Gemini API key, it will very fast.
Point I don't know, sir. This is the point I don't
see know. That's what I'm saying. Different people, different brain. Getting my point? एक बंदा IIT में पढ़ रहा है, एक बंदा नॉर्मल स्कूल में पढ़ रहा है, एक बंदा लोकल स्कूल में पढ़ रहा है. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So different college, different school has parameters. So उसको use करके you will based according to it. So yes, exactly, OpenAI model is different, Google model is different. So in future, we don't know which model has released. Yeah. So that's called everyone is competitions. My model has to good first. My model is good first. My model is good first. In this code, yes, you can integrate with Fire's DB. I just introduced to Deepseek, which released last week. Got the clarity now?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. All right, guys, I think done. So how to remove, just wait still locally. So sir, how to remove Olama? No, just you uninstall Olama from control panel, Sachin. एक बार उसको control panel से निकाल दो, हो जाएगा. Yeah, still implementations going on. Correct. Okay, that's it for today. I hope I respond to your query. Thank you, team. And I wish if you really like these sessions, don't forget to like and comments. Comments is must. And how do you feel? And yeah, so you wait for next upcoming classes and you'd be more fantastic. Thank you so much. And thank you for my existing students, whoever joined. Appreciate your time. And just I'm expecting a comments and likes and share from you and for your friends. Thanks, team. Happy weekends and goodbye.